Hey YouTube, how we doing today? That's right, little box. That means something cool from Gerber. Stay tuned after we roll that intro, and we're going to show you what's in here. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for staying past that intro. I swear to God, one of these days I'm going to stop with that. I'll show you what's in the box. Because, damn it, when the intro rolls, you already know what's going to be in the box. But still, it's kind of fun to say. Now, for all you really cool sumbitches out there who have yet to subscribe to the channel, take a moment, whatever screen you're watching on, you know, your laptop, your freaking iPad, your Samsung Galaxy, whatever. Down below in the right-hand corner, there's going to be a little thing that says subscribe. Please go ahead and destroy that for me. Make me feel all warm and fuzzy inside. Alright, as you saw by that intro, we are going to take a look today at the Gerber Cohort. Now here she is. Instantly when I saw this thing, I thought of the paraframe that we brought to the channel a little while ago. Gonna leave a card for it up there if you want to see what I'm talking about. This thing reminded me of like its big brother for some reason. I love the openness of the knife itself, how you can see right through the skeletal frame. It fits incredibly easy in your hand, and it has seriously just a nice sleek look to it. At first when I saw it, especially with the sleek design from the the front to the back, I seriously wondered if it was a Ken Onion blade. That's one of the reasons I brought it in. But anywho, now when we're doing our homework on this guy, I love the fact on Gerber's website they put this quote out there. In Denmark, they say a knifeless man is a lifeless man. I'm like, of all your blades, you're putting it on this one, that quote? But that's still kind of cool, and I thought I'd share it with y'all. Now, here we go with the stats and fun. Overall, it's got a length of 6.875 inches. Closed, it's 3.875. And the blade itself is a flat 3 inches. It has a pretty minor weight at 2.6 ounces. And what I like, there's the stainless steel frame with aluminum scales bolted on. And if you want to know what those are, it's AL 6061-T6. That was nice of Gerber to put that out there because I probably wouldn't have even cared about that. But since it was there, I thought I'd share it with you guys. You can see it has a plain edge, which for Gerber is kind of remarkable. It's got that gray, nitride finish that they usually put on their blades. And it is in, the drop point style. Now, I know you saw the Gerber on that side. Made in the USA on this side, so the blade's made in China. No big deal. The steel is 7CR17 MOV. Look, I know, it's budget steel. The blade doesn't cost a lot. It's just kind of neat to have and kind of fun to carry for an everyday carry. You can see the liner lock right there. It does have a lanyard hole, and I gotta tell you honestly, I hate when they do this. They give you tip down, but they put the lanyard hole down below knowing that you're gonna have to run this big thing of paracord all the way up. If you're gonna put a lanyard hole, at least put it where, I don't know, it's like tip up carry. That way you're not going berserk trying to pull this thing out of your pants and getting stuff hooked. That's, just my experience. Now, for the fun stuff. No more paper for a cut. Whoops, not good. Probably the way I was holding it. Yeah, not liking that. Okay, that's typical. Yep, kind of what I thought. I don't know if you can see it, but paper there. And I'm probably going to have to run this over some stones. No biggie. I mean, it's still okay right out of a box for a lower end Gerber blade. I didn't expect it to be, razor scalpel sharp. So, let's beat up some paracord. Simple pull test. Alright. And let's go with the slice test. Not bad. Not bad. And like we usually like to do recently, let's play around with a ratchet strap. Ah, right through. Might have been just the way I was holding it a moment ago. I don't know. Okay, so as we always do, we took a look out there for cost. We looked on Amazon, looked on Gerber, and looked on bladehq. On Amazon, it's basically $20, $19.99 with free shipping. On Gerber, it's $29, and as of September 10th, 2018, when I was doing my homework on this guy, Gerber has this listed as out of stock. On bladehq, it's $18.95. Now on bladehq, it has yet to be reviewed. Gerber, it scores 4 out of 5 stars with 4 reviews. And you guys know my feelings on Gerber reviews. And on Amazon, it's 3.5 out of 5 stars with 11 reviews. But you know what, guys? I want to know what you think. Your questions, comments, love, hatred, whatever, leave it down below. I especially want to know, do you think this blade was noise for a lower end everyday carry? Or was it an F-bomb? Noise or an F-bomb? You guys know I want to hear what you think. You know I'm going to get back with you. But there we are. Now, for you really, really cool people who are first-time viewers of the channel, I want to thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch a little bit of this insanity. It means the world to me that you chose my video, especially on a Gerber Cohort. It's kind of cool you're watching. Now, for you really cool guys who have yet to subscribe and didn't do it at the beginning of this video, we here believe in second chances. You're going to see a company logo popping up right down there. Please go ahead and destroy that thing like it's your kid stealing something at Kmart. Now, when you're done beating that little subscribe button up, carry that anger and hostility over to the bell icon. Go ahead and destroy that one too. That's going to notify you every single time we upload a video. Now, speaking of videos, 2 are going to pop up. Guess where? Over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog of videos that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My very quick tabletop look at the Gerber Cohort. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day today.